Hello guys. We are live. I'm audible. Let me type in the group. We are live. Join fast. Sudhir, Nalana, hello. I'm audible, guys. Please ask your friends to join the session fast. We shall start the session fast. Hello. I'm sharing my screen. How are you guys? How are you? Happy to see you here. Hello. Everybody, you are liking the session. Thank you. Everybody just join the session fast so that we can start yesterday's. Thank you for supporting in yesterday's session and joining the today's session. Everybody, again, welcome everybody. Hello. 15 people are with me. Nice. Yesterday we did recursion, basic, very basic, how to dry run the recursive function, and today we will continue. Definitely, we will do it in a very easy way. Just hello guys, hello. Those who are joining, we are going to start. Yes, everybody, waiting for others. We are going to start with very soon. 1 or 2 minutes. 1 or 2 minutes. Okay. Nice. Hello. Waiting for others to join. Ask your friends to join fast so that we can start. अरे I'm fine. How are you, Sudhir? I'm fine. बहुत excellent और तभी आप लोगों के बीच हूँ. That's why I'm in front of you people and enjoying you people, your people. Okay, nice. Very nice. Others, how are you? How are you, others? Other people, how are you guys? Yesterday it was very nice, and today I think these session are going helpful for you. Rajesh, little bit strength और आ जाए तो we can start. Fine, Arpit. बहुत बढ़िया. Nice. Sravanti. Dot. let's let's start. Yesterday, hello, everybody is here, and let's see, more people will join us definitely. And you people are here, I welcome you. First of all, yesterday I guess all of you were present in the yesterday session. If you are a new person, then comment and tell me you were not in the yesterday session. Yesterday we see how the recursive function work and see the dry run of 2 3 4 problems. 2 3 4 problems. The last one was this: display function was called, and then print n. If you are new, please tell me. Today we will do some more questions. I am new. Okay, Girish. Nobody. No issue. No issue. You will definitely connect. You will definitely connect. Recorded videos are also available on this channel. Yesterday's recorded video, you can watch that later. Okay. Okay, Girish. Anybody else who is new can watch the recorded, because the live sessions are also present in the live section. On the live section, you can go and watch the previous videos. Now I'm just going to do some questions, guys. Let's start. And these notes will be available to you if you want. If you want, these notes will be available to you. Today, the first question that we are going to do is, we want to find, hello, we want to find the sum of first n natural number. Sum of first n natural number. How do we do it using loop, and then how we are going to do it using recursion? The thing that I'm going to tell you. First, n natural number. Guys, how many of you can do this using loop? Please vote fast. Natural numbers. How many of you are able to do it using loops? Very easy, very easy. Yes. How many of you can do it using loop? Nice. Others, other people. Nice, nice, Vijay. So, so what is the thing? We need to find the sum of first natural number. That means 1 to n. Can I say 1 to n? So I need to execute a loop from 1 to n. The sometime it is not difficult to write it, but for I is equals to 1, I less than equals to n, and I plus plus, like this. Now I want to do, I have a sum variable in which initially starting 0 is there, and I want to add every time sum plus equals to I. 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. This is the loop. This is the loop. But we are concerned with the recursive code. Now I want to learn how recursion can do it. Recursion actually how it will do. How recursion will do. Any idea? I want to tell you some steps also later on. Later on, I will tell you some steps to write the recursive function. But again, we have a lot of time. Don't worry. Daily, in 4 or 5 days, we will be mastering the recursion. Be patient, because धीरे धीरे, step by step, we will learn every question. So guys, from 1 to n, I want sum. So how recursion will be doing it? Actually, first of all, let me say that the function name is calculate. Let us say cal, and it is taking 1 to n. That means I need I, which whose value is 1, and then the n condition. So int I and int n. I initially is having value 1 because I want to add it. Return type, it is of integer type because I want to find the sum. Yesterday we see all the function was of void type. That means they were not returning anything. Here, because I want to find the sum, this sum, so the return type will be integer. Now, how the things are working? Please see. I will show you the dry run. Actually, I want to add I means 1, and then I want to call this function that, hey, I plus plus. I plus plus, that means I am saying that I plus 1 comma n. And the thing, this thing, whatever this thing, see, it is the calculation part, I plus and calculate I plus 1, this is function call. Whatever this thing will be there, I want to return it. Return this thing, return this thing. A lot of ways, we will see a lot of ways to solve it, both dhire dhire, stepwise, very slowly. And I value is initially 1, then it will become 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6, and time it will go to n. And when it exceed n, if let's suppose I is greater than n, then what do you want to add actually? Tell me. You want to add 0. So can you say here return 0? Return 0. Please return 0. Okay. 52 people actually voted in the poll and only 29 people are there. See, guys, this is the enthusiasm in the free classes. In the free classes, if these classes were paid, see, एक भी बच्चा नहीं होगा फिर तो यहाँ पर फ्री क्लासेस में आउट ऑफ 300 पीपल इन द ग्रुप 50 वोटेड एंड 30 पीपल मुश्किल से यहाँ पे हैं. दिस इज द ट्रुथ ऑफ आवर इंडिया. फ्री में इफ एनीबडी वांट टू डू सम एफर्ट्स फॉर यू, इफ फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट की चीजें हजम नहीं होती हैं. सी, दिस इज द एंथुसियाज्म. How this function is working actually? Let us say hello. Let us say dry run it for n equals to 5. Do you guys feel I want anything from you, but no, still people cannot digest the free things. Guys, please see, I have n equals to 5. I want to find the sum of 1 to 5. So I have taken I. I will be always 1. So calculate function will be calculated from 1 comma 5. Yes. Yes. And return type is integer. It will return any integer type of value. Either 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now come to the statement. If I greater than n, I is 1, 1 is greater than 5 kya? No sir. No, that means return statement will not execute and it will return I. So see, how we write actually, we write like this. I means 1 plus, and this calc function is again called, this cal function is again called with I plus 1. I is 1, 1 plus 1, 2 comma 5. Do you feel this function cal 1 comma 5 want to return something? Can it return without calculating 2 comma 5? Without calculating cals 2 comma 5, please respond. Can this function return something? Let us, it want to return 5, let's say, but I plus, okay, nice, but this is a function call. Without finishing it, can execution go back to cal 1 comma 5? Yesterday we see this, guys, respond fast. Can execution go to 1 comma 5 without finishing 2 comma 5? Yes. First of all, this cal 1 comma 5 call 2 comma 5. So 2 comma 5 will be executed. 2 comma 5 will be executed first. 2 comma 5 will be executed first. Nice. 2 comma 5 will be executed first. Okay. So now the body of 2 comma 5 fast. I greater than n, 2 greater than 5. No, no bhaiya, 2 is not greater than 5. So return statement that is I plus I means 2 plus, what is this? Calculate 2 plus 1, 3 comma 5. Now again the same question. This 2 comma 5 has called 3 comma 5. So 3 comma 5 will be finished first and then it can return 2 plus something. 2 plus something will be returned. Now 3 comma 5, that means if I greater than n, 3 greater than 5. No. So I plus, that means 3 plus cal function with I plus 1, 4 comma 5. Again this cal 3 comma 5 will not return anything, because first of all this thing should be calculated. Okay, no issue. Cal 4 comma 5, if I greater than n, 4 greater than 5, no, that means you will write 4 plus this I plus kel 5 comma 5, 5 comma 5. Okay, okay, nice, nice. Again call I greater than n, do you feel it? 5 greater than 5, no, that means it will execute 5 plus, hey, I plus 1, 6 comma 5. Now is this a base condition? Is this a base condition? Let us see. Let us see if this is a base condition or not. Let us see, guys. I value is 6 and n value is 5. If I is greater than n, that means you need to return 0. Now what does this return statement means? When this 6 comma 5 is executed, can I say it returns 0? It returns 0, that means in place of this function, in place of this function, can I write 0? Who called this? Actually, kel 5 comma 5 called this 5 plus 0, and the function kel 6 comma 5 is 0 completely. The value of kel 6 comma 5 will become 0, and 5 plus 0 is there. Is there 5 plus 0 is called by 5 comma 5. Yesterday's topic same. Every time we will grow like this, like this, like this, like this, and then upside. ऐसा नहीं होगा कि direct execution will go. No, yesterday we have seen this. Yesterday we have seen this. Now 5 plus 0 is 5. This 5 will take place of cal 5 comma 5. 5 comma 5. Now 4 plus 5, this is already calculated, its value is 5. 5 plus 4 9. 9 will take place of cal 4 comma 5. यहाँ तक till here you are getting how we are going up, how we are going up. See, again I am telling cal 6 comma 5 is a base condition, it is returning 0, that means the complete function take the value 0. 0 plus 5 will be going to 5 comma 5. 5 comma 5 value is 5. 5 plus 4 9. 9 will be the value of cal 4 comma 5. Please confirm till here how many people are relating. How many people are relating with this? How many people are relating with this? थोड़ा सा अच्छा यहाँ पे अड़ रहा है तो मैं इसको इधर कर लेता हूँ. Now how many people are relating with this? Now this 9 is the value of cal 4 comma 5. It want to add with 3. 3 plus 9, 12. 12 is the value of cal 3 comma 5. Yes, nice, nice, nice. Guys, 3 comma 5. 3 comma 5 value is 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 14 is the value of 2 comma 5. 14 plus 1, 15 is the value of this function will return 15, and 1 to 5. 1 to 5, if you add 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 will be 15. This is how this function is working. This is how this function is working. See the dry run. And let me tell you guys, only watching the lectures will never help you. You have to honest thing from my side. You have to write function on your own, dry run on your own. You have to practice them on your own. All the functions that I am telling you here, you should write them on your own by without watching this help, after watching the lecture. This is the 1 hour lecture. After that, at least 1 hour self study is needed. Why? Because you will write this function again by yourself and dry run it like me by yourself. Then only you can understand. Make sense, guys? Will you follow? Yes, please. Will you follow? If this is clear, any doubt you can post in the chat box. You can ask in the chat box. We'll see the next question, and also I need to tell you how to write a recursive function. This is pending because we want to learn each and every recursive code dry run, how the things are working. Then writing the code will be easy for you. Nice. Thank you for liking the session, guys. You are amazing. You are amazing, everybody. Now let's see the another version of this. In this, I have taken two parameters. In this, can I write like this? Can I write like this? Tell me if I am wrong. Sum is equals to 0, and can I write the loop in the reversed order. I is equals to n, I is greater than equals to 1, I minus minus, and can I say, hey, sum plus equals to I. Yes. Now how to write the recursive version of this code? Actually, recursive version of this. Actually, this function is returning something int. The function is cal, and only I can take n variable because I know where to stop at 0 or 1. At 0 or 1. This n is, let's suppose, 5. This n is, let's suppose, 5. I want to find the sum of 1 to n numbers. 1 to n numbers. So I will say, hey, return. See, add this n, let's suppose 5, then go to 4, then go to 3, then go to 2, then go to 1. So add this n, then go to n minus 1. This is n minus 1, and n add yourself and go to a value lesser. Go a value lesser. Then this value will become 5, say 4, 3, 2, 1, and at last it will become 0. If your n becomes 0, you need to return 0. Yes. Yes. Is this function complete to you? Can we dry run it? Now let's see how this function is working actually. How this function is working actually. How this function is working actually. Yes, how many people are getting it? I will show you the dry run also. Let's see how this works, how this function works. Let us take n equals to 4. Let us take n is equals to 4. Yes, nice enthusiasm. N equals to 4. So cal function will be calculated like this. Cal of 4. Yes or no? N value is 4 here. N equals to 0. Array, no sir, no sir. N value is not 0. Return n. Okay. Okay. 4 plus this cal function is again calculated, again called by n minus 1, 4 minus 1, that is 3. Do you guys believe again, when this cal of 3 will finish its work, then only this cal of 4 can return 4 plus something, this x, 4 plus x return to the. Now same. Cal of 3. Sir, if n equals to 0, if n is 3, no. So return 3 plus cal function with 3 minus 1, that is 2. Again the same thing will happen. You can't complete cal C 3 if cal 2 is not executed. First of all, that means cal 2 will be executed, then only you can go to the cal 3. This is the way of dry running. Cal 2, hey, cal 2, if n equals to 0. Sir, n is 2. No. Go to the 2 plus cal 1. Yes. Yes. Now, cal 1, that means n equals to 0. But n is 1 actually. N is 1. No. That means go to the 1 plus cal of 0. 1 minus 1, 0. Now it is the base case. If you feel this is the base case. This is the base case. That means guys, cal 0, that means n equals to 0. Yes, return 0. This function, hello, this function will return 0 actually. This function will return 0. That means the complete value of this function will become 0. This function is removed by a value 0. You can say like this. You can say like this. 1 plus 0 is 1. That means cal of 1, value will become 1. Why? Because cal of 1 called 1 plus cal of 0. Cal of 0 is calculated, so 1 plus 0 is the replacement of cal of 1. Now cal of 1 value is 1. 1 plus 2 will go to the cal of 2. 3 plus 3 6 will go to the cal of 3. 6 plus 4 10. 10 will be returned by cal of 4. Now cal of 4 can easily return this value. Why it can return? Because its descendant calculate 3 has been calculated, and calculate 3 has calculated 2 1 and 0. Now the statement that was hello, the statement that we left yesterday was this: breaking bigger problem into smaller one and then solve the smaller part easily and get the answer. Yesterday the recursion means, why we find the recursion difficult? Because we didn't get it what actually recursion wants. If we get it, then definitely it is easy for us. We are breaking the bigger problem into the smaller one and then solving the smaller part. Guys, this dry run makes sense. If you are able to understand, definitely I will tell you how to write. Definitely I will tell you, I will help you in writing the thing also. Is not a difficult task. Yes, 30 people out of 300. Out of 300, I don't think so it is a strength, but still I am happy. Many people are there. Many people are here with their own interest. With their own interest. Yes, very nice. Now we learned how to calculate, how to find the sum of first and natural number. Let's go to the next thing, that is factorial. Guys, how we are solving big problem, we are breaking the bigger problem into smaller one. And अरे प्रथम जायसवाल, हमारे प्रिय मित्र, my friend joined. Everybody say hello to this Pratham sir. Pratham sir is very good fellow. He is also a DSA mentor at Geeks for Geeks. He is with me. मैं उससे I learned a lot of things from him. Everybody say hello to Pratham sir. ऐसा भी हो सकता है इन फ्यूचर he will be teaching also. Nice, nice guys. क्या बात है, what nice guys. मतलब I don't give you. Sir, did Pratham also have any YouTube channel? Pratham sir is collaborating with me. Continue. Yes. YouTube चैनल उनका जल्द ही बनने वाला है. Soon. No issue. चलो फैक्टोरियल पे आते हैं गाइस. फैक्टोरियल, एक्चुअली यू ऑल नो दैट इफ आई राइट n फैक्टोरियल, if I write n factorial, that means 1 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply up to n. Up to n we are multiplying 1 to n. 1 to n we are multiplying 1 to n numbers. Let us say if I write 5 factorial, that means we are writing 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5, or reverse, or can I say, hey, can I say 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, like this? That means 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. क्या बात? We will see this reverse sequence. That is easy. That is easy. According to you, what is this? Sir, 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 is 4 factorial. Oh my god. So can I say, hey, 5 factorial is equals to 5 into see 4 factorial. Am I breaking the bigger problem? This is a big problem to calculate 5 factorial. I don't know how to calculate it. Am I breaking into a smaller one, that is 5 into some smaller number 4 factorial? Now it makes sense to you. It makes sense to you? Yes, nice. It makes sense to you. It is the first problem that many mentors start with. We are doing this problem after 4 or 5 problem basic. That's why if the basic of the recursion is clear to you, you will never face problem in recursion. And my motto is this only. My motto is this only. 4 factorial, can you write this? You will write 4 factorial like this, sir. 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. But if you see this, this is actually the 3 factorial. So can you write 4 factorial, sir? 4 into 3 factorial. You are breaking the bigger problem into smaller one again and again. 3 factorial, again you will say, sir, 3 into 2 factorial, and 2 factorial is, sir, 2 into 1 factorial. And everybody know 1 factorial is equals to 1 only. This is the, can we say this as the base condition? Now it is the high time that I will tell you how to think about the recursive function, how to write the recursive function. But do you know, do you feel that we are able to break the bigger problem into smaller one? And when we will solve good question on recursion, you will see this pattern. You will see this pattern that yes, I'm breaking bigger problem into smaller one and solving it. Factorial is the best example to see it, to see this thing. Factorial is the best example actually. Yes. Getting it, guys? What I am saying, you must relate. And now, before writing this code and before explaining this code, I want to tell you some steps. I want to tell you some steps to write the recursive function. Guys, there are several steps that are observed by me, you will not find in any book. It is my personal experience in which from which I'm telling ki you can write this. You can write first this. Guys, everybody please confirm you are here. And I will tell you some steps from my personal experience of the recursion, how we write the actual recursion, how we decide. If many questions will be there from the recursion, very many good questions we will be solving, very big problem also. How we think, how we write. The step one is to decide the number of parameters, and what are the parameters also, it is hidden. That means if you decide what are the number of parameters, that means what are these parameters. If let's say 2 parameters are there, that means parameters means this. If you remember, initially to find the natural number, int I and int n, we take 2 numbers. So these are the number of parameters, and what are these parameters? So first of all we need to think about that what are the number of parameters in this function. And return type also. And return type, it is void, it is int, float, array hai, anything. Now, after deciding this, anybody, can you tell me, if you are from GMRIT, definitely you know my step number second. But still, I want to ask you people, how many of you know that what is the second step that I told, that I tell everybody, that I tell, that I used to tell to everybody, that you need to think about that. You need to think about that. You need to think about that. That in the second step, what do you do actually? GMRIT people definitely know because they have learned physically. They have learned physically. Vijay, Sudhir, Akhil. Base condition. Vijay or Sudhir. No, 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 no. I never tell ki you think about the base condition first. No, 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 no. Akhil, Akhil, little bit. Yes. No, 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 no. Carry on writing, guys. I want to see how many people. Yes, how many people are actually don't think if you are answering wrong, both body you will not get yes others function call. You will get anything. Don't worry if you are answering wrong, no issue. Nobody is going to judge it, you here. Just be with me. If you will answer, that means yes you are with me. Actually I always say कि decide the function calls. I always say decide function calls. function call क्या होने वाली है? function call and the third is yeah these two and third are swappable. That means you can think third condition first or first second condition. These are swappable. The third question I say function body, whatever you want to write in the function body, that means calculation part. I say calculation part, it is like a calculation part है ना. And how this function call? First of all, my question is, sir, I'm not getting this decide function call. Actually, if you write this cal function na, if you see I write this n plus, that means function body, then cal of n minus 1, then return statement. This was my sequence of writing. If you observe, that means I decided ki from n I want to go to n minus 1. This is function call. Maybe one function call, two function call, three function call at a time. Maybe four function call may be there. We will see in future 1 2 3 4 can at most four function call we write manually. There can be n function call. We have to think about what changing parameters by which we are writing the function call. Maybe n minus 1 here, n plus 1 may be there. In this n minus 1 is there. If you see है ना, function call here I plus 1 increasing I. So this is the function call actually what we want. We decided ki how many function call will be there in Fibonacci. If you know two function call are there, we will see it. So the second step I always say decide the function call and write the function body. Then you will not need to think about the base condition. Definitely now think about the base condition and you will find 10% efforts. Believe me, 10% efforts only. Base condition in thinking about, if you start writing the base condition first, that means you will definitely do some mistake. Definitely. But if you will think like this, first of all number of parameter, return type, then what is the function body, then what is the function call, and then base condition will be easy to think. Because when you write n minus 1, try to think, when you write n minus 1, that means n is decreasing, at last it will become 0, and at 0 it is my base condition. This is easy for you. Make sense, guys? These steps are clear. These notes also will be available to you. How should I available these notes? In the video description, I will put a link to the drive or link to these notes from where you can download them. These notes, do you want notes also? These notes, you want these, guys? Every these complete notes will be available to you by the description box. In the videos description box, I will I will put all of them. These steps are clear or not? Please, if you are clear with the steps and how, write clear in the chat box if you are clear with the chat. Okay, nice. I will write the I will try to write the factorial code with these steps. I will show you how to write the factorial code with these steps. Nice. Nice. The strength of the live people are fluctuating. I was expecting more people. You can ask your friends also to join the session from the next day. So write the factorial by these steps. Actually, first of all, sir, I want to write the factorial code, so I want a number of parameters. Okay, now if you see this dry run, if you see this dry run, from 5 I am going to 4, 4 on 4 I am going to 3, from 3 I am going to 2, from 2 I am going to 1. That means, oh my god, sir, can I say, actually na, actually na, I need one parameter only, I need one parameter only, because from n I am going to n minus 1. That means, sir, I want a factorial function, let's say fact, and it needed a n parameter on return types are integer, because it want to return a integer type of value. Now, let's think. I want function call, I want n into n minus 1 factorial. That means this n will be multiplied, okay sir, please multiply with this factorial n minus 1. N minus 1 will do itself, we don't care, and return it, no issue, return it. Whatever this function is, whatever this will give to me, I will return directly. After this, we need to think about the base condition. Sir, how to think about the base condition? From 5 you are going to 4, from 4 you are going to 3, from 3 you are going to 2, 2 to 1, and 1 is the base condition for factorial. Sir, I know if n is 1 na, I know if n is 1 na, return 1, return 1. This is the base condition. You need not to think much, you need not to think much, just directly you did it, directly you did it, directly you did it. Now, how many of you want a dry run of this factorial code? How many of you want a dry run of this factorial code? Please confirm. How I write it, I told you the steps, how to think about that. How many of you want dry run, guys? Write dry run in the chat box if you want dry run, or okay, no issue, we can continue. Share your thoughts that you want, what do you want? How many people are asking for the dry run, or continue with the next thing? Dry run. Other people, fast. At least all people who have joined the meeting should reply. Others. Chota sa, let's see small dry run, because many people are requesting. Chota sa, let's dry run for n equals to 4. Like the previous one, same. Okay. Chota sa, let us see little dry run, because many people are demanding. I am writing the fact of 4. So the n value is 4 here. Guys, n equals to 1? No, sir. So n, that means 4, multiply with fact of 4 minus 1, that is 3. Multiply symbol, it is similar like the previous one. Fact of 4, fact of 3, actually fact of value without the calculation of fact of 3. Now fact of 3 is the king, is the leader, and fact of 3 will say, sir, my n value is 3. Is n 1? No. So please return 3 into fact of 2. Nice. क्या बात है, क्या बात है. Now fact of 2 will say, hey, n is 2, n is 1. No, sir, my n value is 2 actually, not 1. Okay, so you do one thing, 2 into fact of 2 minus 1, that is 1. Now fact of 1, n equals to 1. Yes. So it is a base condition. It is a base condition. If it is a base condition, it will return 1. Okay, it will return 1. So value of factor of 1 is 1 simple. 2 into 1 is 2 is the replacement of factor of 2. 2 into 3 6 is the replacement of 6 into 4 is replacement of 24. Is it a factorial 4? Is it a 4 factorial? That is 24 written by the function. Makes sense? Makes sense. This function, how this function is working. Now factorial function are having you people have any confusion? Any confusion? Guys, done it? Done it? Yes, please. Towards the next problem. Toward the next problem. Towards the next problem. That is, if you know, multiply two numbers. Actually, there is a problem. There is a problem, that is, multiply two number without multiply operator. Actually, without multiply operator. Do you know, guys, if I write 5 into 3, what does this mean? Hello, 5 into 3, it means we are adding 5 3 times. It is 15. Yes, into 3 means, hello, if I'm writing a plus b, that means I am adding a b times, b times. 2 into 5 means 2 into 5 means 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 5 times, and we get a plus b means adding a b times. How, if you want to do using loops, how you will write, sir? I will write like this: a sum variable, it is a 0, and I want to execute my loop b times. So how loop will be executed b times, sir? I is equals to 1, I less than equals to b, and I plus plus. In sum, I want to add a add a b times, sum is equals to a, and it is your answer. Sum is your answer. Multiplication a into b. Can we do it using loops? Have we done this using loops? Please confirm how many of you are able to understand this. Then only we will jump to the recursive function. B times loop chala, and we added a b times. It is a into b, a into b, adding a b times. How many of you? Yes, fast. Fast, 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 fast. बहुत बढ़िया. Now we want to write the recursive function. Actually, if you want give b times, it is executed b times. Decide the number of parameter. Can I do it by two things? By two parameters only. See how? See how? I will take two parameters a and b. I want to write a calculate function or multiply function in which int a comma int b is there. Hello, int a and int b. What is the return type, sir? Integer, because it is multiplying. It is returning some multiple. Guys, actually, I want to add b times. B times. So B loop will be executed. How B loop can be executed? Either 1 to B, either 1 to B, or can I say B to 1? B to 1 in the reverse order. Yes, it is easy. Step number 2 to write the function call. Actually, if I'm saying add a, now calci function, please do one thing, a comma b minus 1, because I want to execute loop b to 1. It is like a loop b to 1. Can I write b minus 1, decrease b, decrease b minus 1, add a, and then return it a plus calculate a comma b minus 1. We will see the dry run, and if b is decreasing minus 1 minus 1 minus 1, at one time it will become 0. If b will become 0, that means anything if we will add into a 0, no issue, we can add 0 and it will be fine for us, no issue, no issue, no issue. in this in this function, why we were returning 1? Multiplication of 1 into n will not affect the value, but here we are returning 0 because a plus 0 will equals to a only. Multiplication 1 does not affect, and in the addition 0 will not affect your answer. Now done. This function will do the a into b without any multiplication operator, let us see how this is working. Let us see, guys, let us say calculate है ना 5 comma 3. That means a value is equals to 5, b value 3, answer should be 15. How this function is working? B is equals to 0, b is this, no sir, it is 3. Okay, now go to the a means 5, this is 5 plus cal function will be calculated 5 comma 3 minus 1 2, a comma b minus 1. Now this is pending and we are executing 5 comma 2. If we execute 5 comma 2, b is equals to 0, no sir, b is 2, actually b is 2. So go to the a means 5 plus calculate function will be called as 5 comma 1. Now this is again pending, 5 comma 2 is pending, and execution come to the calculate 5 comma a, 5 comma 1, b is 0, no sir, no sir. So do one thing, 5 plus calculate function 5 comma 0. Now the real thing came, is it a base condition? Because your b becomes 0. When your b becomes 0, hello, when your b becomes 0, this b becomes 0, that means it is a base condition. Base condition, actually 5 comma 0 is a base condition, and you will see, hey, b is equals to 0, b is equals to 0, b is equals to 0. If b is 0, that means return 0. That means this complete function will equals to 0. 0 plus 5, sir, 5. 5 plus 5, sir, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. Now you get the 15 answer. How? What a magical way. Recursion is a gold topic, I always say, and it is working as a gold topic. Now, nice. Nice. क्या बात है? How many people are relating? How many people are relating? Yes, guys. How many people are relating? This thing is working or not? Make sense? Make sense? Calculate function. Today we understand how to write the recursive function. Hello, we understand how to write the recursive function. How to write the recursive function? It was very important, and some important dry run how the things are working. Tomorrow also, the continue, this will continue to, up to end of the recursion. More 4 or 5 days. It will take more 4 or 5 days. Your enthusiasm is needed only. It was the last question. We are wrapping up this session. If you have any question or query, you can say to me, and I believe from tomorrow more strength will be there. You will ask your friends and needful people. You will share the lectures to the groups also. Guys, if you have any thought, please share it with me in the chat box. This is a small effort for you without any demand. Just a small, agar if you like it, if you can subscribe the channel. A small demand, just you can subscribe the channel if you feel that yes, it is helping you. Other than that, I don't need anything. Literally, believe me, I don't need anything. Just you people learn something with me, guys. If it was helpful, we will continue learning the complete recursion, and definitely you will master the recursion from basic to advanced. From basic to advanced. Guys, everybody, please share the sessions, share this thing to your friends. If you have any doubt, please ask. If you have any query, any thought in your mind, if you want to say anything to me, please, please. If you have anything to share, or so, guys, it was a wonderful session. It was a wonderful session. Keep learning, keep coding. I always say, हंसता रहे चेहरा, मुस्कुराता रहे चेहरा हंसता बन जाएगा, एक एक फूल जोड़ देख गुलदस्ता बन जाएगा, एक एक फूल जोड़ देख गुलदस्ता बन जाएगा. लव यू ऑल. एवरीबडी कीप कोडिंग, कीप लर्निंग, कीप स्माइलिंग. बहुत जरूरी है आपका संतुष्ट रहना, सेटिस्फाई योर हैप्पीनेस. All of you, bye bye, good night. ग्राफ मैथ्स वाले क्वेश्चन ओनली सर, मतलब अखिल, ग्राफ्स मैथ्स वाला क्वेश्चन ओनली क्या कहना चाह रहे हैं? यू वांट कि आई आल्सो टीच ग्राफ टू यू आफ्टर रिकर्शन, डीपीटी ग्राफ मतलब एडवांस टॉपिक, यू वांट दैट ना अखिल? क्लियर, प्लीज बी क्लियर अखिल. Anybody else thought? Was any thought? Okay, definitely. Graph. Okay, sure. Graph, definitely. Only your supports, only you people. I want 100,000 people to join in my live. Okay, guys, thank you so much for joining the session, and love you all. Bye bye. Good night. Let's meet you tomorrow. Definitely, graphs. Definitely. You can write in the chat, comment box after finishing this video, please. At last, graph will went in 2 days, sir. Ha. Okay. Guys, I'm wrapping up the session. You can write your thoughts in the comment box of this video after finishing this. Bye bye. Good night. Please write your thoughts in the comment box so that I know. And still, if you have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel and share it to your friends so that they also subscribe and enjoy the free videos. Please share it to your friends and family, please. जैसे गेट इस मैसेज रहता है, सब्सक्राइबर बहुत जरूरी है. लव यू ऑल, बाय बाय, गुड नाइट. वी विल मीट इन द नेक्स्ट लाइव सेशन.